The bald cypress gets its name from its bald appearance in winter. It is related to the redwoods and sequoias that grow in California. Even though they are conifers, bald cypress trees are not evergreen. They lose their leaves every autumn and grow new ones in spring. The bald cypress is a native tree to the southeastern United States that grows in the Mississippi Valley drainage basin, along the Gulf Coast, and up the coastal plain to the mid-Atlantic states. Bald cypresses are well adapted to wet conditions along riverbanks and swamps. Bald cypresses are long-lived and slow-growing. Old trees are usually hollow. A young bald cypress is symmetrical and pyramidal. As it matures, it develops a coarse wide-spreading head. Its tapering trunk is usually 30 meters tall and 1 meter in diameter. Many evergreens have strong scents, and they get their classic Christmas smell from gummy resins, which contain high concentrations of terpene alcohols and acids. Unfortunately, this tree smells less like Christmas and more like roadkill. Although they typically grow in wet, swampy areas, they also make great yard trees, and an established bald cypress can even be surprisingly tolerant of drought. Cypress trees, including the bald cypress, are known for their problematic roots, but they are not considered invasive roots. Not only is the taproot large, but the roots grow knobby knees that will rise above the ground. You can avoid issues with the cypress roots by planting them correctly. Bald cypress trees produce cone fruit. It develops a taproot under ideal soil conditions as well as horizontal roots that lie just below the surface and extend 6 to 15 meters before bending down. Squirrels love eating the seeds inside of the cypress balls. This makes a wonderful tree to feed squirrels. Not only do squirrels enjoy them, other animals such as turkeys and woodpeckers will also consume the seeds within the cypress balls. With a plant so widespread and well known as bald cypress, the fact that it is not named as being even mildly toxic is a very good sign. However, if you are concerned for your dog, you could pick up as many of the cones as possible and discard them. In the winter, it is perfectly normal for the bald cypress tree to lose its needles and grow a new set the following spring. However, if the tree turns brown, it could be due to fungus, moisture loss, scorch, stress, pests, or disease. Birds and small mammals use the trees for nesting and roosting locations in these swamps and wet areas. Clusters of bald cypress trees are often used as rookeries by nesting herons, egrets, and other wading birds. Eagles may also use these trees for nesting sites. The bald cypress grows much taller than the average pond cypress, and grows wider as well. The bark of the pond cypress is grayer than the bark of the bald cypress. These trees also have different needles from one another, with the pond cypress having shorter leaves overall compared to the bald cypress. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.